Electrical conduit couplings, those workhorses of electrical wiring, play a critical role in keeping your electrical system safe and functional. Here's a detailed breakdown of their purpose and functionality. What are they? Conduit couplings are essentially connectors used to join two lengths of electrical conduit together. They are typically manufactured from either PVC, plastic for non-metallic conduit systems, or metal for rigid or intermediate metal conduit, IMC systems. How do they work? The design of a coupling depends on the type of conduit it's meant for. Here's a breakdown for the two most common types: threaded couplings, metal conduit. These couplings have internal threads that match the threads on the ends of rigid metal conduit, RMC, or IMC. The conduit is screwed into the coupling from each end, creating a tight and secure connection. Often, a sealant-like electrical tape or thread compound is applied for additional moisture protection. Solvent cement couplings, PVC conduit. These couplings have a socket on one end that fits snugly over the plain end of a PVC conduit. A solvent cement specifically designed for PVC is applied to both surfaces, and the pieces are pressed together. The solvent melts the PVC slightly, creating a strong chemical bond when it cures. Why are they important? Conduit couplings are essential for several reasons. 1. Extending conduit. Runs, conduit typically comes in 10-foot lengths. Couplings allow electricians to connect multiple sections to achieve the total length needed for a specific circuit. 2. Making turns. Unlike flexible conduit, rigid conduit can't make sharp bends. Couplings are used to connect straight sections of conduit at angles using elbows or bends. This allows electricians to navigate around obstacles and create the path needed for the wires. 3. Creating junction boxes. Electrical systems often require access points for connecting wires and making inspections. Couplings are used in conjunction with junction boxes to create these access points. The coupling connects the conduit to the box, providing a secure entry and exit point for the wires. For more content like this, please do subscribe, share, and like this